you can keep it really tight over your head. And so for this guy, what you're doing, if you're going in clockwise, what's going to happen is it's a together time corkscrew. So both poi come under your legs at the same time, and it goes with the right and then the left. And you can do it like this, where you're doing it sort of like you're hopping from one foot to the other. I don't feel like I'm a graceful jumper or hopper. I also think you get more dynamism in the expression of it performance-wise if you turn your body as you're going under the leg. So with the turn, it would look like this, where I lift the right leg, turn, come around, and like that. And I lift, turn, around like that. Lift, turn, around like that. And what I'm actually doing when I'm lifting is as I lift my right leg, I turn and I step so that I'm coming down 180 degrees turned, and then I continue above my head to come back around and do it again and repeat. I think this one looks better from the back because the poi is flying, I mean, especially on fire, because it looks like fire is sort of flying out from under your legs. Oh my God, where'd that come from? But also, if you're doing it in the round, it doesn't really, like, it's great because you can do, I would do more like turns like this, where I'm facing everybody as I go through, and everybody gets a view of some part of it, and that can be really effective if you're performing in the round. It depends on whether you're doing a flat stage, a U-shaped stage, or a V-shaped stage, or a round, which the round is always the best in my opinion. If you're struggling with it, one hand at a time, I would say the first thing I would start with is just getting the part under the leg. So with the left hand, you're going clockwise as you're looking down at it, and then you're gonna lift your right leg, come in toward your groin. So you need to make, if I show you from the front as I'm entering, you're coming in toward your crotch. So you're almost basically hitting your crotch as you lift the leg. And then when you land, turn, and your hand, ideally the poi would not be tangling on it. When you turn, you lift the other leg to exit. So repeating that with the left hand, you come down, lift the right leg, lift the left leg, and come up over the top. Now adding it together, you come from over the top, bring it down, lift the right, lift the left, over the top, bring it down, lift the right, lift the left, over the top, lift the right, lift the left. And then how much turn is up to you. The jump is also a super cool technique if you're a good jumper. With the right hand, starting from just clockwise, you do the same thing. You lift the right leg, still come in toward your groin, and then exit by lifting the left leg. And then with more of a turn. And then putting the two of them together, we'll go like this, under and above, and now this third time, here we go. I lift the right leg, both of them under, up, and both of them under, and up, both of them under, and up. And now, don't know if you could tell on camera, but my two poi did, for a second, slip around each other. If you keep going, and you gently work the two poi, they will untangle like mine did. So that can be a clever little performance trick to know about.